Hello, I am Nafatia binti Osman and my teammates are Nur Anabila and Amelia Ahmad, final student from School of Computer Science. We developed a system called AssistMe Citizen Support Community System. Our supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Haikam Hussein. There are various applications have been developed to help those who are affected, such as sambal sauce, what it initially called as Bendera Putih application. However, most of the application doesn't fulfill our complete needed requirements that we are focusing, which are assessing necessities, job opportunities, and mental health care. Hence, we decided to enhance and improve the existing application today to fulfill these requirements that will consist of more functions and features. The application is called AssistMe System. Through this project, citizens will have a platform that are able to serve the three major needs, which are necessities, job opportunities, and mental health care. The purpose of this project is to connect those who are in need with those who can help, especially those who are affected by COVID-19. The main aim of this project is to provide a platform to help streamline the process of connecting those in need to those who can help. There are three subsystems in this AssistMe system. The first one, called Get Necessities, which aim to provide a platform where users can access necessities aid by browsing list of necessities banks through provided search filters, as well as to connect those who desire to donate with those requests for necessities aid. For subsystem 2, called Job Opportunities, aim to serve as a platform to aid the job seekers to find employment opportunities and connect with potential employers. For the third subsystem, called Mental Health Appointments, aims to provide a platform for people to seek help from mental health specialists easily by booking an appointment at the mental health clinics that are available around Malaysia.
So, our system is an enterprise system that aims to provide solutions for one of the 70 Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), which is goal number 1, no poverty. So, these are the proposed solutions for all the three subsystems. So, the first one, subsystem 1, is Get Necessities. So, it provides and access and request necessities, and users also can donate necessities and also utilize features to request variety of necessities aid. For the second subsystem, which is the Job Opportunities, it provides range of job type, including hourly gig, to serve as a comprehensive and accessible platform. And then the third subsystem, which is Mental Health Appointment, it provides features that would ease the user in making appointments and avoid the hassle of waiting. It also assists in mental health clinic management system efficiency and also provides recommendations of clinics. This is AssistMe System architecture diagram. The client side is the web browser client that will display the website page to the users. The server layer is the XAMPP web server, dynamic HTML page, and MySQL database. A combination of CSS, HTML, PHP, and JavaScript, as well as Bootstrap framework, are used to write the web page. We use MySQL database to store all the information of our website, and PHPMyAdmin, which gives a GUI tool for managing the MySQL databases. The architecture describes the interactions between the client and server on the web. When user requests the web page after typing the URL of the AssistMe system, a request will be sent to the web server to interact with the dynamic HTML page and get the information required. Then the website server will respond the program output of the requested page to the users.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Amelia binti Ahmad Bashawir, and I will be presenting the overall module diagram of AssistMe system. This is the overall module diagram of AssistMe system, and the benefits of each subsystem for AssistMe system is that for Get Necessities, that is subsystem 1, it is a convenient alternative to accessing necessities without searching and asking around. Assists users in finding necessities and help. It also simplifies the process of providing help and necessities. For Job Opportunity subsystem, that is subsystem 2, it enhances features to attract job seekers and recruiters. It speeds up the recruitment process and helps applicants track their applications. It also reduces workload and time spent reviewing applications. For Mental Health Appointment, that is subsystem 3, it saves time by avoiding long queues and physical appointments. It also increases efficiency in clinics' appointment booking system and improves access to mental health care and reduces suicidal cases. This is the overall use case diagram of AssistMe system, which comprises of each subsystem, in which each subsystem have its own use cases. This is the overall class diagram of the AssistMe system. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Thank you.